Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and today I have another client tutorial. I will be doing a crochet style on my grandmother. Today is pretty simple. You're just going to see me prep for my crochet style, blow drying, all that. Now she is relaxed, so as you can see her hair is very processed, but it is strong. So you know, you can have relaxed hair and it can still be healthy. Also, we make sure she gets her trims and treatments and all that type of stuff, so it still is in good condition. It is just more broken down by her request. Yeah, and in the future I can make more videos about relaxers, how to maintain healthy relaxed hair, how to have healthy relaxed hair. And you also have to realize it's all about choice. Like I said, she likes for her hair to be more smoother and straight all the time. She doesn't want any curl or elasticity left really in her hair. But I think now she actually has been stretching her relaxers more to kind of build it back up and get it a little bit more thicker. Because as you guys know, when I was relaxed, I stretched my relaxers way out. I only got like 3 to 4 a year, and my hair was basically natural. I was just getting them to, you know, smooth out my edges and stuff. But you can definitely maintain healthy hair with a relaxer. So right now I'm just putting in some products, and now you're going to see me blow drying her hair. Like I said, it's really not hard to get it straight, so after I go through and blow dry it, I will begin to work on my pattern for the crochet. And also, one thing about working with gray hair is that it can be very resistant. So just know when you're doing different styles with gray hair, or when you're trying to color gray hair, it's not going to do the same things that normal pigmented hair does. It is just built different. You know, once I've seen clients gray hair come in and it's a totally different curl texture than their normal hair. So go ahead and treat it with a different, you know, rule of thumb than you would regular hair, because it is completely different than what the client has done before. A lot of clients expect their gray hair to act like their pigmented hair, and that's just not the case. It does things differently, and not every style works on gray hair. A lot of gray hair styles, it can look you know, not as smooth or not as neat, and it just takes a little bit more work and a little bit more care for it to look nice. You just have to take time and know your client's hair and know what you are trying to achieve and know what's going to make them happy. Also, I know that my grandmother loves a really smooth and neat put together look. So as you're going to hear a little bit at the end, the hair that we found was not up to her standard. So when I was doing crochet, one thing I was known for is my illusion crochet styles. It is where you cannot tell that it's crochet. I don't like to fill up the head and make it super bulky. I don't like to be able to tell that it's not a natural looking style. So as you can see, she really wanted her head really light because she was just going to wear it up into a bun. So I didn't want to add too many and make it too heavy. When it comes to crochet, it is so important to know how your client is going to wear it, to where you can do a correct braid down and just know the amount of hair they need in their head. A lot of my clients liked really heavy styles for some reason, so I made sure that the front wasn't too bulky to go along, and I could put more in the back since they liked a lot of hair in their head. But I'm a type of person where I do not like a really full head. I like to see a lot of scalp. I like to see a lot of parts. So it's all about personal preference. For her hair, I am using clear rubber bands because her hair is such a beautiful gray. I didn't want to use anything black or too dark because you were definitely going to see that. I am just braiding and rubber banding and connecting, and then I'm just going to be braiding down the back. not in love with the hair that we found, but in Louisiana it was very hard to find great crochet hair in general. Like, it was very disappointing. These dreads were not really realistic looking. They looked super rough and they felt rough, so you know, she really wasn't feeling that. But I wish to find something better, like passion twist or something. Something that'll go better with her hair and just look a little bit more softer and feminine. We kind of weren't feeling these, but it worked for what we needed it to. It's a great vacation style, and as you're gonna see at the end, we loved it up in a bun. It looked good, and she didn't have to do anything to her hair for a couple weeks. So that is always a protective style success to me, when the hands are out of the head and they can just go to sleep, wake up, and not have to do anything to their hair. So I can't wait for you guys to see the videos that I have coming out next. More client tutorials are on the way, and more, you know, hair information is on the way. I am a licensed cosmetologist, and my mom is a licensed cosmetologist. She has been for over 20 years. So we have great information that can be brought to you guys. I hope to see you soon.